so I'll just kind of do that. Just so you get the idea. And then back to the black paint, which is the food color. And we'll give him some crazy eyes. I'll put his eyebrows up here. Ooh. Okay. Thinking he really needs to have a tongue hanging out. No, we'll be able to see it, but we'll take a ball, put my finger over half like this, and then make a line, pick it up. Might be too big, but I want it to show up. Let me take it and make it a little smaller. Okay, so we'll take some water here. You know, like he's concentrating, he has to use his tongue to concentrate. That doesn't look like the right spot. I don't think it looks right. So, let me take it off. It's just too high. That area is just a little high. So now I gotta clean this up. Okay, so now, since I have that mark, we're gonna have to add tusks. Yeah. Okay, so white ball, elongated by just putting my finger over half. The water still. Pop this on here. Bend this up. Okay. Maybe I'll just leave that one off so you can see it. And then the other side. Ball, finger over half, water,